What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Qasim, and today on Tip Tuesday, we are talking about the iOS 14 back tap feature. What this feature allows you to do is to assign functions to be triggered with either a double tap or triple tap on the back of your iPhone. From the home screen of your iPhone, find and open the Settings app. Scroll down until you see Accessibility, tap on this, and on the next screen, find the Touch option and tap on it to open it up. On the next screen, scroll down until you see Back Tap. Tap on this, and on the next screen, you'll see two options of customizing double tap and triple tap. Tap on one of these, and on the next screen, you'll see a bunch of options to choose from. You can assign functions from system services such as Screenshot and Siri. You've even got accessibility options, scroll gestures, and Siri shortcuts that you've created. Go ahead and select your choice of actions. Now that you're done, from anywhere in your iPhone, you can run the action assigned by just doing a double tap or triple tap on the back of the phone. I've gone ahead and assigned Screenshot to double tap, so if at any time while I'm using the phone, all I have to do is double tap the back of the phone and this will take a screenshot. To triple tap, I've assigned my Google Assistant shortcut, so if at any time while I'm using the phone, if I do a triple tap on the back of the phone, this will automatically open up Google Assistant. This is really an awesome feature, and it'll be interesting to see if in the future we will be able to assign even more actions than the ones currently offered. That does it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you've got anything to say, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next Tuesday, same time, same place.